Happy Monday. Let's learn about Roman numbers. Today, I'm going to give you a very fast, good tutorial about how to read and how to write Roman numbers. Obviously, there's a lot more to learn, but this is just like a little bit of a quick appetizer. So then you can go ahead and start practicing how to write and read Roman numbers. So this is the basics symbols for Roman numbers. So I'm going to explain you how to do different numbers and then how to read them depending how they look like. Roman numerals are the symbols used in a system of a numerical notation based on the ancient Roman system. The symbols are, and you can see here, looks like an I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, standing respectively for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. Go through the basics. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then notice that 4 is actually 5 minus 1. So you wouldn't do like 4 little sticks. You will actually do 5 minus 1, and then you get 5. And then notice that 6 is 5 and 1. 7 is 5 and 2. 8 is 5 and 3. So 5, 1, 2, 3, and then you get 8. And notice that 9 is basically 10 minus 1. So notice how 4 and 9 are going to be the numbers that you have to pay close attention to them. What I want you to do right now is to stop this video, get a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen or anything to write, and we're going to go ahead and do 5 numbers together, and that way you can understand the logic of how to do Roman numbers, because you can see they're very simple. You just need to understand how to do 4 and 9, and the rest is nothing. Remember, 1, 5, this is 10, 50 is an L, 100, C, D, M. Let's practice. So for example, if I have the number 14, it's going to be 10 plus 4. But remember that 4 and 9, or like 40, 90, are the ones that you have to pay attention. Because look what happens. You're going to do 5 minus 1, and that gives you 14. 39, 10, 20, 30, and then 9, that's 39. But 40, I'm going to go ahead and do 50 minus 1. And that is why 40 is XL. And then if I want 49, will be 40 plus 9, and that gives me 49. Is that 4, 40, 90, 900, anything that has the 4 and the 9 involved, they're the ones that you're going to have to adapt it by subtracting. So let's go ahead and now do a couple of big numbers, and then we're going to go from Roman to numeral. No, we're going to go from numeral to Roman, and then from Roman to numeral. Let's go. It's a great way if you go to calculatorsoup.com, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this number, and that way you can practice. Notice that 100 is going to be 100, but 50, remember, is going to be L, and then 4 is V minus 1 because it's 5 minus 1. Let's do another number. Let's do now 499. Now, when I go here, I need to first do 400. Remember that D is 500 and C is 100, so that gives you the 400. Then 90, this is here 100 minus 10, that gives you the 90. And then 9 is X minus 1 because it's 10 minus 1, and that's basically how you write 499. So for example, 2020, remember that this is 1,000. This is 1,000, and then this is 1010. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 10 plus 10 gives you 2020. Let's try 2023. This is 2023, and this is 2020. So what's going to happen with this number is that you're going to have them 1, 2, 3. Let's see. And there you go. And that's exactly how you go from Roman to Arabic numbers. Say that I have this number. First, I need to remember what was D, and D is 500. So this is 500 plus 1, 2, 3. That's each one is 100, so that's 300 plus 50 plus 9. So this number is 859. I have this number here. I need to remember that M is 1,000. Then here, this is 900 because it's 1,000 minus 100. That's 900. Then this is 50. And then 10, 20, 30, 30. So this is 1,980. That's the year I was born, 1980. Hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial about Roman numbers. There's so many numbers and there's so much to learn because The number line, as we know right now, with the rationals, irrationals, even the number 0, which I want to do a tutorial on that. These are things that it took thousands and so much time to get all together for all of us today to be actually doing a tutorial on Roman and Arabic numbers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For this summer, I'm going to be doing more little stories like this because numbers are awesome. So keep rocking and go math.